So I'm trying to record a video about how to create a class in Cambridge 1. Actually, this is the created class. Just following the steps over there after you create your account. So it's easy to create a class. The thing is that we need to share this class key with the students of your own class or classes. For each class, it's better to have a different class, of course, and they need a different key, of course. That's it. And right after you create the class, there are 3 items in this Cambridge one: class data, assignments, and materials. Okay, and right after the class data, as you see, you can add students. They can create their own accounts, and we may have groups, and we can create groups in class data, in short. And regarding the assignments tab, we can set assignments either from practice extra or collaboration plus. Okay, let's have a quick look at them. Okay, suppose that you want to create an assignment. You want to create an assignment in starter unit, welcome unit, and just click on it and practice it as we watched it before in the introduction video before in Zumra meeting. Practice it, master it, own it, and games. So you can assign any of them, or you can assign them one by one. Let's start with this practice it first. Let's assign it, assignment 1, or you can name it in a different way, in a different name, or just say assignment 1 and create the assignment date. So we are setting the date, so it's due date. See, it doesn't have to be today, it can be for tomorrow or any date you set, no problem. Just assign it. Right after you assign it, it says 8 activities assigned to this class to all students, and you say assign new if you want to create a new one. So for the assignments, creating assignment, there were 2 tabs, one of which was practice extra, which you have just seen, and the other was collaboration plus, in which you can collaborate with your students. They can send you some project, they can type something about the given topic to you, and then you can send them some feedback. So accordingly you can follow the steps with your own students. This is a great opportunity for you to supply some feedbacks to your students, and it's valid for all units. As you see, it is just for excluded for the start. Just the important thing is, if you click on unit 1, okay, which task to choose, okay, which task, say plan and design, and there are tasks, 4 tasks. Later on there is present and share, but if I were you, I would just choose in the first step plan and design, and then assign it. Of course it will ask you to choose a date for deadline. Let it be tomorrow, 24th of September, and then say assign, and that's it. So we completed these 2 steps, one of which was practice extra, the other was assignment, collaborative assignments.